Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is FADZRAIN. I'm going to present about Netflix and its international market strategies. In today's globalized business environment, companies are encouraged to expand beyond domestic markets in order to grow and stay competitive. Netflix is a strong example of this, as it has transformed the entertainment industry through digital streaming. From a DVD rental service, Netflix has grown into a global streaming leader operating in over 190 countries worldwide. Alright, let's moving on to the background of Netflix. Netflix was founded in 1997 in California by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. It started as an online DVD rental service before shifting to streaming in 2007. Netflix began its international expansion in 2010, starting with Canada. Today, Netflix has approximately 270 million subscribers globally, showing its strong international presence. Now let's moving on to market entry strategies for Netflix. Netflix uses a direct-to-consumer model where users subscribe directly through its website or apps. Netflix also forms strategic partnerships, especially with telecommunication and internet providers. This is to allow subscriptions to be bundled with mobile or broadband plans. Additionally, Netflix focuses on global licensing and local content production, such as producing regional shows like Squid Game, which helps attract local audiences. Netflix also enters markets gradually to manage risk, while maintaining strong control over pricing and user data, allowing it to adjust prices based on each country. So in conclusion, Netflix's global success is driven by its innovative digital model, strategic partnerships, and effective international expansion strategies.
Hi, my part will be explaining about the localization strategy, which is the Netflix have divided like 4 categories, which is the first one will be more on multilingual subtitle and dubbing, which is it's providing high quality translations for all movies and series. It's to ensure the global accessibility. The second will be more on heavy investment in the local original content, which is more focused on the stories that capture the unique values and traditions of the specific regions. The third one will be more on collaborations with regional creators. It's focused on partnering with local writers, producers, and directors to create more authentic programming. The last one will be on culturing sensitivity and compliance, which is to ensure all the content respects all the regional customs and laws and value to build more consumer trust. And the example of the series will be, for example, is the first one is Money Heist. It's from Spain, the series. It's about robbery. The second will be Squid Games from South Korea. And the third one will be Sacred Game from India. The slide number 6, which is we talking about the content strategy. The first one will be more on strong focus on Netflix original, which is a foundation of their success, and it helping the platform to stand out from all the competitors. The second one will be more on popular global titles. It's also include a massive hits such as the latest one is Stranger Things, The Crowns, and Bridgerton. The third one will be more on data-driven content decisions, which is a Netflix using a big data and AI to analyze all the user behavior and regional trends to decide which content to produce. The last one will be more on ownership of content, which is it's holding a creative control and a long-term right that able to reduce the dependencies on a third-party studios.
Now I will explain about technological and innovative strategy. Netflix use AI-powered algorithm to provide personalized content recommendation based on user viewing history, preference, and behavior. This help improve user satisfaction and increase watch time. In addition, Netflix relies heavily on a big data analytic to make strategic decisions such as which show to produce, renew, or cancel. This data-driven approach reduces business risk and improves a content success rate. Netflix also operates on cloud infrastructure through Amazon Web Services, which allow the platform to scale efficiency across different regions. Furthermore, Netflix uses adaptive streaming technology which automatically adjusts video quality based on internet speed. This ensures smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience for users worldwide, even in countries with a weaker internet connectivity. Now we move to pricing strategy. The company offers tier subscription plans including basic, standard, and premium, which differ in a video quality and number of screens. This allows customers to choose plan based on their budget and usage need. Netflix also practice region based on pricing, where subscription fees are adjusted according to the local purchasing power. For example, in countries such as Malaysia, India, and Indonesia, Netflix offers lower price and mobile-only plans to attract cost-sensitive users. Recently, Netflix introduced ad-supported subscription plans which provide more affordable access while creating additional revenue streams through advertising. Overall, this pricing strategy balances affordability for consumers with a long-term profitability for a company.
Hi, my name is INTAN NABILAH binti JALALUDIN, and I will explain about the branding and the marketing strategies for the Netflix global dominance. Let's dive into the branding and marketing strategies that fuel Netflix global dominance. This strategy is executed across 7 key pairs. Pairs 1 and 2, the identify. It started with building a strong global brand identity centered around the iconic red and logo. This visual simplicity made the brand instantly recognizable on any device screen. For pairs 3 and 4, the connection. Next, they introduced the Tandem Sound, a masterclass in sonic branding that signals the start of experience. This is complemented by localized marketing champions, ensuring their content feel relevant to diverse culture worldwide. For pairs 5 and 6, the engagement. To stay relevant, Netflix leverage influencer and social media marketing to drive digital consumption, while global events like Tudum, the F1 Festival, create real-world excitement for the top titles. Pair 7, the precision. Finally, everything is optimized through data-driven advertising using viewer insight to deliver the right content to the right audience at the perfect time. This 7-piece approach ensures Netflix isn't just a service but a household name. Let's see the part of the recommendation of Netflix. To ensure long-term growth and maintain its market leadership, here are my top strategic recommendations for Netflix. For the key recommendation, market expansion. First, Netflix should expand its ad-supported plans, specifically developing markets to capture price-sensitive audience. For the content partnership, second, we recommend increasing collaboration with a local studio. This will help produce authentic, culturally relevant content that resonates with regional viewers. Third, for the innovation, it is vital to invest more in interactive content and gaming. Moving beyond traditional video will increase user engagement and diversify revenue stream. Fourth, for the sustainability, Netflix needs to strengthen its sustainability initiative to align with a global environmental standards and meet the expectation of modern conscious consumers. Finally, for the educational content, this is a significant opportunity to develop more educational and informative content, broadening the platform appeal to include learning and self-improvement. By implementing these strategies, Netflix can continue to evolve from a streaming service into a holistic global entertainment ecosystem. Lastly, for the conclusion, in summary, Netflix is a global expansion success story because of its ability to adapt and evolve. Here are the 4 key drivers behind their long-term success. Facing strong and continuous innovation in a highly competitive streaming market, Netflix proved that constant evolution is critical to stay ahead of rival and achieve long-term growth. For the localization, Netflix doesn't just provide a one-size-fits-all service. They adapt their content and marketing to fit the unique culture, need, and language of every market they enter. The technology, Netflix doesn't just provide the technology. Their success is powered by world-class infrastructure, including advanced algorithm and seamless streaming technology that gives a superior user experience for the worldwide. And lastly, for the innovation, beyond traditional movie, Netflix continues to innovate by exploring new formats such as interactive content and gaming to remain relevant to modern audience. Thank you.